Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Coach of 2015 world champion Daniel Williams, Lennox Graham, says the sprint hurdler will continue to pursue the IAAF Diamond Trophy despite now being declared eligible for selection by the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, the J3As, for the World Championships in Doha next month. The local governing body on Thursday relaxed their stance on the women's 100-meter hurdle selection, declaring the race at the National Championships in June null and void, which means that Williams' disqualification from the event at the meet could not stand. While delighted with the J3A's decision, Graham says his athlete has no intentions of giving up the chance of winning the Diamond Trophy.
Started and a green card.
This decision extends her season, and so that's the effect that this will have on it. Just extend her season. But as far as the approach and the objective for her last two races, that don't change.
Requires you to keep contact on the block.
The J3s had initially said Williams would not be considered for selection due to her false start, and that the next three best-ranked Jamaicans based on the IAAF World Rankings would be selected. Coach Graham, who will be at Sunday's Diamond League meet in Birmingham, says they'll now make adjustments to their training plan leading into the World Championships.
We are coaches, so a lot of things in coaching are difficult to ask, but that's why we are coaches. So we're going to give it all our best shot for her as my athlete, and also for Jamaica, for the confidence that we put in her.
The J3As will now announce the women for the sprint hurdles event on September 6. Williams is currently the #1 ranked hurdler in the world with 1,385 points after setting a national record of 12.32 seconds at the London Diamond League meet last month. Compatriot Megan Tapper is second with 12.63. Third is Janique Brown with 12.57. And Yannick Thompson is fourth with 1,200.